Hi, welcome back. I am doing day 22, and so far so good. I still feel good about being on this process. I'm still learning, make mistakes. There's ups and downs, but like I've said before, the app is a really big help. It helped me to determine which foods I can eat or not eat. Right now, I am at 201.2, so I lost a little bit more. My ketones is 1.1 and my glucose was 99. I am eating leftovers, which is, I think I mentioned I went to a soul food restaurant over the weekend, so we still have leftovers. So I made wise choices, which was grilled catfish, greens, a slice of cheese, and coffee. And then for lunch dinner, I had a little bit of catfish left, and I had that, a piece of lamb, a fourth of cabbage, and a cup of greens. So that seemed to fill me up pretty good. I didn't have any snacks. It was a good day as far as me working out. That's one of my goals now. Is since my body is getting used to this like ketone like diet, low carb diet, I want to start incorporating more workouts. And I did my spin bike, I think 20 minutes. And then I did 10 minutes of floor work, which I'm trying to strengthen my abs and kind of tone my body. I want to do both. I follow this lady. She's called the Fabulous 50s lady. She's on YouTube and she cater for videos for people that's over 50. So far so good. Still drinking my water. And so like I said, I'm feeling really good. I don't have a whole lot to say. It's just one thing I'm not sure that I cover or not, but when you're eating like this and you have a family, you have to cook for them and they can have whatever carbs they want to have. It's still not too hard to follow this particular diet. For example, I had made my family enchiladas. I just got a frozen thing and made it, and then it goes with a salad. And then for me, I had in earlier on, I had made some turkey burgers and I froze some of them. So I just got that out and I had that. And this is another day that I had this. So it's a way that you can do this thing. Is I think this diet or weight loss plan, I'm not sure what you want to call it, it does make you feel like you're not really having cravings for like a lot of the high starch type stuff. I don't really have the cravings. My thing is I just want to make sure I eat and eat enough, but be within the guidelines where I'm not overeating to help me to lose weight. As I get to my size I want to be, then I'll worry about introducing a little bit more of stuff and then really checking my weight and making sure I'm not doing things that's just making me gain the weight back. That is so important to me. I've lost weight before, but I don't want to go back to gaining weight again. So that's about it for day 22, and we'll see what happens the next day.